Meaning of Franklin D Roosevelt.
Franklin D Roosevelt.
Franklin D Roosevelt.
Franklin D Roosevelt.
Franklin D Roosevelt. Franklin D. Roosevelt refers to the 32nd President of the United States who served from 1933 until his death in 1945. He is known for his leadership during some of the country's most challenging times, including the Great Depression and World War II. Roosevelt implemented numerous programs and policies, collectively known as the New Deal, aimed at stimulating economic recovery and providing relief to those in need. His leadership helped guide the country through both domestic and international crises and cemented his legacy as one of the most influential presidents in American history.